Right, let me just take it nicely. So I wanted to show you guys nicely. The ship name is called MSC Seashore. As you can see, we are sailing, right? So you can see clearly that we are sailing. We're in the middle of the sea, right? Middle of the sea. So the sea is actually, the ship is actually sailing. I'm actually at the end of the ship, where at the beginning, at the back actually, right? So we are sailing, right? We are sailing. Just want to show you guys. Right, these are all infinity pools where everyone is actually enjoying themselves. If you look at on top there, these are all the rooms, and on top there, it's on the 20th floor. I'll be going to the bridge, you understand, on top there, and there it's all lifts and everything, and this side as well. The cruise ship is too big, guys, very big, right? So as you can see, as I'm coming, you can see there clearly. Yeah, these are all the lifts. I'm actually gonna sit just next to the area where you guys can see yeah, you see, those are the lifts going down, lifts going down. It's just a pity now because during the day you can't see nicely, but these are all lifts, going down, right? So everyone is just enjoying themselves. Right, so here we are actually, this is the bar where everyone is actually enjoying themselves. It's nice. Yeah, so as you can see, everyone is just sitting. Here's the waiter, taking care of us, yeah, all right. So here, you can see the ship clearly, right? This is just, because remember, we are on top, right? We are on top, so this is the other side of the ship. The ship is too big, guys, right? It's too long, right? As you can see there, right? It's too long, right? So you can see there, that's how it is, right? That's how it is, right? Going on top there. Ship is too big, right? So we are entering inside. Inside, we are entering. Where are we going? Up to lounge, uptown lounge. Okay, let's go down. We have to go up, ne? Right, so here we're just going to another destination. All right, you can see me. I'm in a glamorous tracksuit, My wife is laughing. I'm saying I'm in a glamorous tracksuit. Right, Ocean K restaurant. Right, so this is how things are.